I'm Dion Edgcombe. My role at Dalton's is production manager. So yeah, it involves a fair bit of different stuff, but generally looking after everything manufacturing wise and all the plant machinery, that sort of stuff, and then new developments that we're doing. Yeah, so at Dalton's we manufacture potting mix, nursery mix, all sorts of landscaping supplies from pine bark. So we take bark from the mills all around the North Island and manufacture it here. So we screen it, crush it, and then distribute it around. So it's either going for landscaping barks or into potting mix for growing media for commercial nurserymen, or bagged product which we sell through Bunnings, the Warehouse, Mitre 10, all the big chain stores, and then nurseries and garden centres across the country. Quality is huge for us, and yeah, I guess it's we're the same with the gear we buy. You know, we want quality stuff because we produce quality landscaping supplies. So part of what we do is monitor all of that stuff, and pretty proud of what we do. So yeah.
My name is Cameron. I've worked here coming up 27 years. Production supervisor. We run 2 case loaders here. I'm in charge of the case 1121 here, and we have the 921 that runs the bark plant. My job involves clearing the tip head with all the bark that you can see, run various plants, and load the trucks, turn all the rows, the various rows, anything else that needs to be done. Yeah, find them really good, no issues. So the 921 that runs the bark plant there, it runs 19 hours a day. It starts at 4 in the morning, and then the second shift starts at 1:30 and they go through till 11:30 at night. The 121 that I'm in, generally around 12 hours a day, Monday through Friday, and then half a day on Saturday. No, the comfort I find is really good. We have to be accurate on the weights that we put on the trucks all the time, and various weights to go in the hoppers at the bag shed. They can only have certain weights, and so yeah, no, very important. They get checked all the time and make sure we zero them and calculate them every day. The visibility is excellent, nice big windows, good mirrors, good backing camera. The aircon is really good, which obviously in days like this is important. And the radio is really good. It helps the days go by.